I just wanted to give you a couple quick tips for World Read Aloud Day. Things that I like to do in my story times when I have them in person, which hasn't been for quite a while, but one day. And in the meantime, you can use this while you are reading to your kids at home. Thing is to make your books interactive. So there are some books like the book with no pictures, or like Press Here, the monster at the end of this book, that are directly interactive. They speak directly to the reader and ask you to respond in some way. So those are always really fun for kids, and they're basically guaranteed to be hits. But even if your book isn't directly interactive, you can make it interactive. Ask questions about what is happening. If you're reading a story about going to the grocery store, think about, hey, do you remember when we went to the grocery store? And talk about what you did there, what your favorite food was, what you bought, what you saw. You can ask general questions like that, like, oh, do you remember the time that we did this? But you can also ask more like skill-based questions. So you can say, oh, how many ducks do you see? Or how many whatever. Or you can say, can you point to the person who is wearing the red shirt? Or point to the person who is wearing the green shirt. They might not add a whole lot to the actual story, but you can make the book more interactive to let your kids have more fun with it. Including actions in your read aloud and including sounds and things like that. So this book, Is Your Mama a Llama, is great for that. It has lots of different animals, so you can make all of those silly animal sounds. You can also do actions. So there's a bat here. You can say, can you flap your wings like you're a bat? So it's more of an experience instead of just sitting and reading a book. So don't be afraid to get silly with it. Nonfiction books actually have been shown to be more conducive to conversation than regular picture books are. So if you pick a nonfiction book about whatever your kid's interested in, it becomes more of a shared experience and a conversation between you and your kid instead of just you as the adult reading the book and your kid listening. Let them be curious. We want kids to learn and be curious and think about what they are reading and what they're listening to. Give yourself permission to stop. If your kid is just not interested in the book that you are reading right now, that's okay. Just stop, set it aside, try again later. If they're really just not feeling that book at all, just put it down. There's no rule that says you have to finish every book that you start. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them, and I hope that you have a great day.